Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be installing something to my new Golf R. This is a Mark 7.5 Golf R 2019 and it's an absolute beast. I've had it for around a month now. However, I've got a dog, so when you press the boot button on the key, the boot lid doesn't pop open. So I've got a mod to help that. So I'm going to get on, I'm going to install this, and then we're going to try it out. So I'm using a product called Struts, and they are basically a boot strut that automatically opens your boot. So when you press the key, the boot will automatically pop open. So yeah, Struts. They were out of stock for quite a while, but I managed to get some. So what's in the box? A really nice box anyway. And then you get 2 boot struts, for one for each side. And then you also get an adapter, which goes on here because these are slightly smaller heads than the original ones, so they'll adapt and you just undo them. I'll show you how to do that. So yeah, let's get on and let's get these installed. So you want to use a screwdriver just to pop the old cap off, like so. Quite hard to get out, so that pulls off like that, and then you want to just pull that off, and then you want to use your head. Use your head. You should have someone to help you do it, but I've just got myself. Pop this cap off here. So you want to keep these just in case you need to put them back on. That's that. And then carry on using my head as the support. Open this. It's quite a simple job really, but I need to close this for a second. There's a strut up here, so you just need to get a screwdriver, which is, I've got the wrong one. So we're 13 mil, and you just want to loosen it off. Get my right way. That's strong. Oh, that's on there pretty tight. So yeah, so there we go. So we're just uninstalling this. Good, dropped it. And then you want the new one. Undo the little package. And then there's a couple of washers. Go with it. So we'll go like that, and then we'll start screwing it back in. Just going to move this out of the way. If I can. It's the problem about not having someone to help you. I've got the dog here, but he's not much help. There we go. And then we want to get the screwdriver to just do that up tightly so that's not going anywhere. That's now on pretty strong, and then it actually comes with a bit of lithium grease to secure it. So if we put some on the ball, and install the strut, so that goes up there. And then we want to put this back on somehow. Wherever that thing is there. That's on there now. And then we've just got this one to fix on, and then the clips on there, so that's great. So as you can see, that is now fixed on, and it's as easy as that. So we're going to get round, we're going to do the other side, and then we'll have a go with them. The clip here, we can undo them. That put it in the box, this case safekeeping, and then got to try and get the other one off. Oh, scratch the car. No. There we go. That's off there, that's off there. Take this off. Then we get the 13, and just do it up tightly. That's different. There we go. Got the boot struts on. Let's put these little clips back in, and then we're ready to go. So put that one in there. Clip. Really easy little clips to put on. Got to find the right point, which is there. So now they're both on. So we've got to just plug in the little capture. My hands were so greasy. That'll do. I'll do it up later. And that's it. So we've now installed these, and let's see what they're like when you press the boot key. So now I've installed the boot struts on the car. We're ready to test it out. The dog's in there waiting to see what happens when you press the button. So yeah, I just press the boot button on the key, and in 3, 2, 1, that works well, really well. So I'm really pleased with that. It's a really good mod and pretty cheap to do. I'll put a link in the description where I bought them. So I'll end that video there. Thank you so much for watching, and this is just the start of the mods on the Golf R. So I've got a few things to stealth out the front, and also I'm putting a little thing on here to protect the sill because the dog jumps in and out and scratches it. Happened to my last car, so I'm not making the same mistake. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Come on, come on.